Hello, I am Nicolas Lebrun and I am a consultant at KPD Services. Today I will talk to you about the logistics apps of KPD, the complete and integrated environment for the management of the warehouse of a construction company. We will see three items. First of all, the web logistics app, which is the management of the master data and the main application. The requirements app, which is the app for the people at the construction site to order equipment or materials at the warehouse. And lastly, the mobile logistics apps, which is the app for the warehouse operator for use in the warehouse itself, mobile, or on a construction site.
The Web Logistics app is the backbone where all master data is managed and also internal invoicing is done to the construction sites. All warehouse and equipment movements can also be registered, including inventory audit. Multiple sites of multiple companies can be configured. Equipment and articles are organized in groups and subgroups, which can determine rental rates, but also the locations in the warehouse. The catalog itself is divided into 5 main categories: articles, individual equipment, collective equipment, combined equipment, and accessories. Articles are sold to the construction site at cost or with a surcharge, and each article can have a picture but also some technical information, and also the list of suppliers where an article can be ordered. You can also have a list of individual equipment. These are mostly bigger machines, and these also have a picture, some technical information about the machine, the rental rate, the acquisition date, etc. You can also link files with the operator's manual or an insurance document, etc. With the stock movements, you can register all movements between the warehouse and a construction site, or you can register the reception of a delivery from ordered goods. You can give an item back to a supplier, and you can do a decommission of machines that are sold or scrapped or anything else. Then, with inventory audits, you can take stock. So we're going to the inventory audit. We've got a list that is prepared and we have to count all the drill bits. And now we can go item per item and give the counted quantities. At last, we can do the invoicing to the construction sites. So we're going to generate the invoices for a given month. We can select multiple projects and then the invoicing can be done. The result of the invoicing procedure is that we have an overview of the cost of the warehouse for each construction site, and so we can see that there is a rental for some machines, and also there will be items that are sold for use directly on the construction site, so the consumables. You can also check the requests that have been made to the warehouse, and we are seeing here 2 lines which have to be picked by the warehouse operators. These requests come from the requirements app. So we're going to open the requirements app. It's used by the people on the construction site, so they can order things for the construction site. They can use this to order things indeed for their construction site, but also personal security equipment. They can also ask for a return of items they don't need anymore. All historical data of a construction site can also be viewed here, so we can see what has been delivered over the time. We can choose in the catalog, so I need some drill bits, so I can see if there is availability or not. So I'm going to say, okay, I need one item of this and one item of this, and these items have now been added to my cart. I can also ask for equipment. So for instance, I need some electric drills, so I'm going to check in the catalog. Okay, this one is available, and I'm going to order it for my construction site. I can now see that there are 3 items in my shopping cart. I'm going to finish my order. I'm going to check if the delivery can be done today or at a later date. So I can say, okay, I want it for the 18th, and I'm going to send someone to pick it up. And my order has now been sent to the warehouse. Okay. And at last, for today, I'm going to show the mobile logistics app. This is the app for the warehouse operator, which is used on a mobile device. So he can walk around in the warehouse and see the orders that have been addressed to the warehouse. So they can pick an order and check if items are available, check them, okay, and he can create the transfer note. Now the items have been transferred to the construction site and will generate a cost on the next invoice to the construction site. They can also just create transfer notes. So if a demand comes in by phone or by email, they can manually transfer items from the warehouse to the construction site. The full catalog can also be viewed at this point, and they can see if an item is available or not. And last but not least, they can also do a stock correction. So if they are counting items, theoretically I should have 2 items in stock, but okay, we've counted the items and apparently there are 4 items, so there we have it. And that's it in a nutshell for the logistics apps.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.